Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a lot different than it normally is. You're used to seeing me very stagnant and at home building my van, but today I am with a new friend, Linnea.
Hey guys!
And her beautiful dog, Akela, from Linnea and Akela. If you haven't heard of her already, she has been living in her van for 6 months? About 6 months now. Her build is beautiful. She is actually one of the people who originally inspired me to start recording myself, building my van and to pursue it. So we're gonna do a backpacking trip tonight, just a one-night trip. So I thought that I would take you guys along with me. It is so beautiful out here in Idaho. So I know it's gonna be an awesome day and just really looking forward to getting out there. I haven't been backpacking in probably a year or so now. So it's gonna be a great day. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I hope the audio is okay because I'm not using my mic today. I'm trying to pack a little bit lighter, but yeah, I think we're about ready to leave. So we are gonna go hit the trail in a few minutes and I will see you guys out there. Figure out how to use this pen. Can the chicken scratch it? What the heck? Akela? We need a new pen. I wonder if I just... 5. 28. What's the year? Looking out for someone like you. Someday when I've grown older, I can see it all clear from above. Looking back on it all, maybe I can see what was broken.
So pretty! Oh my god! So we just got set up in our camp for the night. I'm going to end up hanging my hammock just between these two trees, and Linnea and Akela are checking out the beach right now. We have basically our own private beach, which you guys will see in a little bit. But honestly, I don't think we could have gotten any luckier. I'm gonna go show you guys the view from the trail right next to us. It's like absolutely insane. Insane. And there's our little beach right there. So I'm going to go and set up camp for the night. I think we might do a short little day hike and go check out the surrounding area, and then Linnea is going to try to catch us some fish for dinner, which I'm so excited about. Haven't had fresh caught fish in a long time, so it's gonna be super fun. I'm gonna get camp set up, and then I guess I will just take you guys along with me the rest of the night. Oh my goodness. You lost all of our water. What'd you do that for? Yeah. So I just finished filtering our water for tonight, and Linnea is down trying to go catch fish. And I am just having one of those moments where everything just feels right. I feel like I'm where I'm supposed to be, and like, not just today or the hike or, you know, meeting Linnea or any of that, but just the past couple of weeks especially, and now this weekend, just feel like I'm finally in a groove that feels like my groove. I don't know if that makes any sense, but yeah, I'm just really content and feeling a lot of gratitude. I'm super grateful for new friends like Linnea. I'm extremely grateful for my ability to just park at a trailhead and go backpacking kind of at last minute's notice, and to get to experience a place this beautiful. And I know that might seem ridiculous. I live in a beautiful place. I love where I live, but yeah, I'm really grateful for the path that brought me here, because I can't really imagine another way where I ended up in this exact spot. So anyways, enough rambling. I am gonna go try to help catch fish or help do something out there, maybe just play with Akela, and I will see you guys at dinner.
On the outside looking in, I really wasn't sure what I was getting. Between the high waves on the sea, waiting for something to get to me. I wasn't sure what I was hoping for, you see. But you act like gravity and you are perfect.
Alright, so I definitely missed dinner, but I thought that I would show you guys my sleeping setup for the night because I'm actually pretty proud of it. Would not have been possible without Linnea though. I have this sweet tarp. It's gonna help keep me warm at night. And then I got consignment sleeping bag, really fancy, I know, and this down blanket. So I'm hoping that I am not just bear bait tonight, which is kind of how it feels, but I had to try it at some point, so gonna try it out tonight, sleep in a hammock. I don't think it's gonna get that cold. I should be plenty warm, but yeah, I guess I'll check in with you guys in the morning, let you know how it went, and see you all tomorrow.
Oh my child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair.
We just had a super relaxing morning, drank some coffee down by the lake, and now we are gonna pack up and head back down. There are a couple more lakes out here that we were initially thinking maybe we would be able to get to, but they just seem a little bit too far away. And unfortunately, as Linnea found out yesterday, there are absolutely no fish in this lake. So our plans of catching dinner or breakfast did not quite work out. So we're just gonna pack up, head back down, get some work done probably, and then I think she's gonna try to go fishing a little bit later on in the day, so hopefully we'll get some dinner tonight maybe, but if not, just have a relaxing afternoon.
Didn't seem to do you any good. I know you've tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright.
Alright, so 2 hours later and we made it back to the vans. Honestly, that was such an enjoyable trip, but I am glad to be back. Excited to take my shoes off, probably go in the river that we are camped right next to, similar to this whole area. It's just so beautiful here. So gonna hang out, get some work done for the rest of the day probably, and then hopefully have a relaxing night. I know that this video style is a lot different than I've done in the past, so I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and looking forward to seeing comments down below on where I should go next. I'm planning on being in Idaho for the next couple of days and then headed back to probably Colorado and southern Utah. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed
all the sites that we got to explore and meeting Linnea, of course, to thank you for being a part of the video this week.
Absolutely, we had so much fun.
It was really awesome, and Akela, everybody is gonna love you, I know. So let's say goodbye to Akela.
Very happy to be back in your bed.
Very much so. Anyways, I will see you guys next week. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching, and if you want to see more like this in the future, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. See you guys next week.